Today I'm showing you how to create an event on Facebook on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages. Step 2. Go to menu. At the top panel, tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Step 3. Open Events. Tap on Events from the menu. Here you can explore and view ongoing or upcoming events. Step 4. Create New Event. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon to create a new event. Step 5. Name your event. Enter a name for your event in the Event Name field. Make it clear and descriptive. Step 6. Set date and time. Choose and set the start date and time for your event. Tap on the Date field to select from the calendar, then set the time. Step 7. Choose event type. Select whether the event is in person or virtual. If it's virtual, add details on how people can join, like a video call link or streaming platform. Step 8. Add location optional. For in-person events, add the event location. Type the address or venue name. Step 9. Set privacy. Choose who can see and join the event. Select public for anyone to see, friends for your friends only, or private for invited people only. Step 10. Tap Done to save your privacy settings. Step 11. Add event details. Add a description with more information about your event, what it's about, what to expect, dress code, etc. Step 12. Create event. Once everything is filled in, tap Create Event at the bottom. Step 13. Invite people. Your event is now created. Tap Invite to select friends you want to invite, or tap Share to share the event link with others. And that's it. You've successfully created an event on Facebook on your Android device and can now invite friends to join.